So this is the message to the original leaker of the footage that was being sent to me. I've noticed that at least two of the photos that you had me blur out in the second picture set, which you gave me, seem to have an uncanny resemblance to the drones that are flying over New Jersey. And I've looked at like a lot of videos, and you asked me to blur those out and not show them to the public or anything. Yet I don't really know who you are, or like I'm not sure what to do with these photos that I have. You gave them to me and then you disappeared. You just vanished. And you told me not to share them with anyone. So this is my message to you, that if that's really important, that I do not share them with anyone, that you contact me within a day. You know how to contact me, and my public PGP key will be in the description below if you want to send me an encrypted message. If I don't hear anything back, then I guess it's time to release those images. And my reason for doing that is because at this point it seems like, since everyone's so confused about what those drones might be, if they are in fact what these are, it could help all the agencies trying to figure out what they are. Maybe. It seems like there's more good done than harm. But you have a day to tell me what to do. So I guess I'll be hearing from you or not.